Welcome back. So today's video is a high puff video. I promised this video, so finally this is the video. How to make a high puff without it being too tight on your hair and so on. Look at how much my hair has grown from that, you guys. Look at it now. So anyway, I mist my hair with water and then I just go in with a moisturizer because we don't want a puff that's dry. We want like a nice big puff. It has to have volume, it has to be big and nice. So yeah, so moisturize it first. Moisturize it properly, because a dry puff, it's gonna look flat, and yeah, we don't want that. So as you can see, I just first of all go in with a very loose, what do you call this, rubber band. Yes, that is just to keep the hair up so long, because the thing is we're making like a high puff, so that is already just like getting the hair to stand. So I'm using a, what do you call this, pantyhose. Yeah, I'm using a pantyhose. When you cut it, like make sure that you have like 2 thumb spaces, because you don't want a headache later on the day. We want, in this channel we're all about healthy hair, retaining length. So when whatever you're using to make a high puff, make sure it's not too stiff. You don't want a headache, you don't want to lose hairline and all those things. So ponytail is like the best to use. As you can see, I just go in and like tying it properly. But anyway, first of all, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank my top 3 viewers who view the most, which is Americans, South Africans and Nigerians. You guys are like the top 3 countries that always come back supporting me. Thank you very much. I love the support, and yeah, I really hope that we can grow together on this channel. Anyway, as you can see, I'm taking like the first ponytail off, and then I just go and like fix my high puff. Now just making sure that the ponytail isn't too stiff, it's perfect. And now I'm just making sure the high puff is coming nice and puffy, you guys. So if you want like your high puff to come out this neat, like yeah, then you just go in with a comb. But this is a messy high puff, so I'm separating my hair with my fingers, because like I want like a nice messy voluminous high puff, you see. So I feel like shaking my head like this is giving it more volume. I don't know about you, but for me, I feel like it does. And like I am loving my hair. As you can see, yeah, I'm loving my hair. Even my cousin loves my hair. If you don't believe me, hear for yourself. She's gonna hear for yourself.
Okay. Man, how does my hair look like? Is it good? It's beautiful, nice, beautiful.
I'm very happy with my puff. So what do you guys think? How did it come out? Let me know down in the comment section. Would you like try my method of making a puff next time? Like yeah, this puff came out looking great, even though I didn't I only wore it in the house. I'm definitely going to try it next time. I don't know where I'll be going, but anyway, maybe to church. Next time when I go to church, I'm gonna try this. Yeah. So like I think I'm just for now just gonna give like styling videos a break on my channel. I'm going back to my old type of videos. I did sit down videos. I hope to see you in the next video.